tonight. The current time is 11:31 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is the official forecast from your
Bruh.
The preceding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System for Washington, KPS506. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of Washington. This includes the following Georgia counties: Wilkes, Albert, Oglethorpe, Tolliver, Warren, McDuffie, and Lincoln. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Washington listening area. Today, cloudy early. Patchy fog early.
Okay, so it turns out they only do one test, and that's their test. So FFC programmed KPS506 correctly.